Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Check this out, Lock Sporters. A double celebration. Joe picks lock and John Lock. Congratulations. 500 each. They're pushing towards 1,000 next. So what they want us to do to help them celebrate, pick a lock outdoors. No matter the weather. So we're in a pretty windy spot. So I've got you covered over with my jacket on the microphone, so if it is muffly, that is why. I'm trying to keep the wind out of it. So I picked a lock that's got a 5 in it. This is a 570 oval, a Lockwood, encased in a big heavy mortise lock. So I can't tell you much about this lock until I continue the series on it. But I can tell you this 570 is an oval. Doesn't come out the back, so there'll be no guarding, no pulling apart. This is straight from the salvage yard. So we're going to try and pick that here. This is the key. It's very old. Check that out. The old L. Doesn't go clockwise, has to go anti-clockwise, and doesn't actually engage until that point there. So you're a long way around before you get the open. So we're going to go for that. It's hope we get it all on film. And I'll show you the awkwardness of my location where I'm trying to film by. Let's see if we can get the lock pick first, shall we? Going in with me Femur short hook and bare bones gear. I'm picking upside down, never picked, not upside down but upright before. This is a 6-pinner. Automatically going clockwise. Didn't I just say it only opens anti-clockwise? I can hear you yelling at me. Go anti-clockwise. Okay, not being left-handed. Anti-clockwise is a bit awkward. I'm in a public space, so you will hear other people. movement on the core. Yeah, I haven't tried to pick this lock before, so no prior learnings on tension or anything. Picked it. Badges in, so it retracts. Needs some work. Very happy. I'd like to say that this is my first ever pick of a 570, a Lockwood vintage oval. I am chuffed as. Very happy to have done it, the lads. 500. So, I just want to take you for a little by people of where I am. Come check this out. I'm in a place called Happy Valley. This is the Happy Valley Reservoir. So I thought, what a lovely place to pick a lock. Show you the beautiful colour of the gums. Gum trees. For a happy occasion than Happy Valley. Big congratulations. Check out the hashtag Joe500, John500 to check out all the video entries in their giveaway. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is waiting. I've forgotten to show you something. Come this way. I want to show you what sort of locks they've got. Come with me. So they've got a gate, closes at 5, Dementor. It's an Abloy 330, very nice. Little Abloy 321. Very nice. Good to see the council using proper locks for security. Okay, so now time for the sign off. Come on, say it with me, viewers. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.